Wow, what we have here is a 1941 Harley Davidson EL Knucklehead. This motorcycle was restored early 1990. Been sitting in a museum at a Harley shop. It's only got about 10-15 miles on this motor. It's been cleaned up, polished up a little bit, and tuned. Pretty correct motorcycle. She's a beauty. It's not quite AMCA perfect, but boy is it show perfect. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Maybe a little too much bling for a purist with the red, but it is what it is. Matching numbers. I'm going to give it a full choke. I'm going to turn my fuel on. It's cold. Fuel's up. And I'm going to turn my camera over to my partner. And we'll see if we can get this thing to fire. It's absolutely cold. So, fuel kicks. Get this up where it belongs. Set half. Ignition. Quarter throttle.